Hi everyone, welcome to Planity's YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about logarithms, right? Very important topic with respect to your CAT exam. हालांकि काफी एग्जाम्स में इसके क्वेश्चन आते हैं, बट पिछले कुछ सालों से CAT में दो श्योर शॉट क्वेश्चन लॉग के ऊपर है. So a lot of students tend to leave this topic या टफ लगता है लोगों को, बट ऑनेस्टली कुछ बेसिक कंसेप्ट अगर आपको पता है तो ये श्योर शॉट हो जाते हैं आपके क्वेश्चन, क्योंकि बहुत ज्यादा टफ क्वेश्चन नहीं आते एग्जाम में, बेसिक कंसेप्ट के ऊपर क्वेश्चन आते हैं. So we'll get going with the session. We'll try and see all the concepts related with log. फिर हम कुछ क्वेश्चन भी सॉल्व करेंगे and then you can take it from there. All right, so I'll just quickly share the screen with all of you. So let's start with basic properties of logarithm. So basic properties of logarithms हमें क्या पढ़ना है, क्या समझना है, वो पहले हम देखते हैं. log होता क्या है वो समझते हैं पहले, and then we will come to the question part. All right, so logarithm is the inverse function to exponentiation. Now सब लोगों को लॉज ऑफ इंडाइसिस पता है. मैं आप लोगों से चाहूंगा कि थोड़ा सा लॉज ऑफ इंडाइसिस आप रिवाइज कर लीजिए अगर आपको उसके बारे में कुछ भी आइडिया नहीं है तो उसी का एक्सटेंशन है लॉगरिथम. इट इज नथिंग एल्स. सो कैसे आपको पता होना चाहिए इस पर्टिकुलर चीज के बारे में. वी स्टार्ट विद द बेसिक नॉलेज. सो लेट्स से a रेज टू पावर x इक्वल्स टू n अगर आप बोलते हैं. सपोज आपके सामने ये रिलेशन है a रेज टू पावर x इक्वल्स टू n. नाउ यहाँ पर आपने n को रिप्रेजेंट कर दिया है. अगर मुझे a को रिप्रेजेंट करना है तो आई कैन राइट इट एज n रेज टू द पावर ऑफ 1 बाई x. ठीक है, ये एक्सपोनेंशियल वे में मैंने इन दोनों को रिप्रेजेंट कर दिया है, बट मुझे x को रिप्रेजेंट करना है अगर a और n के फॉर्म में, तब मुझे लोगैरिथम की जरूरत पड़ती है. ठीक है, सो कैसे होता है बेसिक प्रॉपर्टी. आप इस इक्वेशन का लॉग लीजिए बोथ साइड. सो लॉग ऑफ a रेज टू द पावर ऑफ x कैन बी रिटन एज लॉग ऑफ n, राइट. अब एक प्रॉपर्टी होती है कि कभी भी पावर लगा रहता है, यहाँ पर x जैसे पावर है a का, तो इस पावर को हम बाहर निकाल सकते हैं. दिस इज प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ लोगैरिथम. x log a can be written as log of n, या मैं लिख सकता हूँ x इक्वल्स टू log n अपॉन log a. नाउ इसकी प्रॉपर्टी ये होती है कि इस चीज को मैं लिख सकता हूँ log n to the base a. That's how I can write it as. Now can you see I have represented x also here. So a raised to power x is n, right. A equals to n raised to the power of 1 by x, and x is equal to log of n to the base a, right. This is something that all of you should understand. Now तीनों चीज को रिप्रेजेंट कर दिया गया है एक दूसरे के फॉर्म में. We have n here, we have a here, and we have x here, right. Now there are certain basic rules of logarithms that all of you should understand, right. So I'll just draw a graph of logarithm first. Let's see how this function actually is. So if I say y equals to log of x, the graph usually goes like this. Now from here, one thing that you can remember, we never calculate logarithms of negative value. Okay, so यहाँ पर I always have to understand that my n is greater than 0. My n will be greater than 0. Although log itself can take negative values. You can see y here is negative. Okay, y is negative here. So y is negative. So if my value of n is less than 1, then my log will take negative value, but log of negative values is not defined. That is one thing that you have to understand, right. Other thing that you have to understand is my a will be greater than 0 again, because from here you can see log a is in the base, so a is greater than 0. Third thing that you have to understand is my a can never take 1. My a can never take 1. Why? Because log 1, as you can see in the graph here, is 0. Log 1 की value जो होती है, that is equal to 0. Okay, so n is greater than 0. You have to understand this. A is greater than 0. Also, a cannot be equal to 1. ठीक है, a 1 नहीं हो सकता, n 1 हो सकता है, तो log की पूरी जो वैल्यू है वो 0 हो जाएगी. तो यहाँ पर से ये चीज दिमाग में सब लोग फीड कर लीजिए. ठीक है, n is greater than 0, a is greater than 0, and a cannot take 1. That is something that you have to keep in mind. Although in this equation x itself can be negative. ठीक है, या y के फॉर्म में समझना है यहाँ पर, तो ग्राफ से दिख रहा है y itself कैन बी नेगेटिव, एंड जो बेस होता है वी कॉल दिस एज बेस। n को हम आर्ग्यूमेंट बोलते हैं, a को हम बेस बोलते हैं, ये चीज आप दिमाग रखिए। सो वन वे ऑफ रीडिंग दिस आउट इज log n to the base a. So x is equal to log n to the base a. That is something that you can keep in mind. All right. So let's look at some of the basic properties of log now. Product rule, quotient rule, power rule, change of base rule, equality rule. These are some rules, which you will need to solve the question. So just go through these rules quickly. So log xy can be written as log x plus log y. Log x upon y can be written as log x minus log y, and so on. You can see the other properties. Now, one thing that I would like to tell you here is, कई बार स्टूडेंट्स गड़बड़ करते हैं, वो क्या करते हैं कि log x plus y is equal to log x into log y करते हैं, which is wrong. This is wrong. So log of xy, log of product is equal to sum of the logs. So log x plus log y. This is something that you are supposed to keep in mind. इसका दिमाग में आप लोग अच्छे से रख लीजिए, ठीक है। If you know these properties, you are more or less sorted to target the questions. क्या questions होते हैं, कैसे questions होते हैं, we'll see now. But these properties you should keep in mind, right? कुछ ज़्यादा tough properties ये नहीं है, ठीक है। ये properties जैसे questions में use होती जाएंगी, we will see one by one how we are supposed to use. So let's just quickly solve a basic question. So I can write here log root 3 as log 3 raised to the power half, right? Root 3 is nothing but I can write it as 3 raised to the power of 1 by 2, right? Now this is divided by log of 3. This is divided by log of 3. Now we just, studied the rules. So I can take this power bahar. So I can write this as half log 3 upon log 3. Now log 3 gets cancelled. The value is nothing but 1 by 2. The value is nothing but 1 by 2. So you can pause and have a look at it if you want. And then we'll take a look at some actual CAT questions which have been asked in recent years. So I would try to split this video in two parts. कुछ questions हम इस part में continue करेंगे and कुछ questions हम next part में continue करेंगे. All right. So let's get going. So you can pause the screen and take a couple of minutes, try the question by yourself, and then you can resume. एक बार खुद से try करो, थोड़ी बहुत प्रॉपर्टीज यूज करने की कोशिश करो, जो भी गलतियां हो रही हैं करो, एब्सोल्युटली फाइन, एंड देन यू कैन रिज्यूम द वीडियो एंड कंटिन्यू विद द क्वेश्चन। सो लेट्स लुक एट इट। सो हियर वी कैन सी सबके बेस में देयर इज log 100 log 100 log 100 log 100, हालांकि जो बेस है दैट इटसेल्फ इज डिफरेंट। सो द वेरी फर्स्ट टर्म आई कैन राइट इट एज 1 अपॉन log 100 upon log 2. I can write it like this, yes or no? Which I can further write it as log 2 upon log 100, yes or no? So this term can be written like this, log 2 upon log 100, as simple as that. ठीक है? So now I will take all the terms and फटाफट write it like that. या नहीं लिखोगे तो भी चलेगा, या लिखोगे तो भी चलेगा, but exam में you should not waste time in writing something which is already there. So log 2, so if I just write it for you, this will become log 4 upon log of 100. Similarly, this will become log 5 upon log 100. This will become log of 10 upon log 100. This will become log 20 upon log 100. Then the next one will be log 25 upon log 100. And last will be log 50 upon log of 100. This is how it will look like. ठीक है? Now माइनस टर्म वालों को अलग कर सकते हो, प्लस टर्म वालों को अलग कर सकते हो, as simple as that. बेस में log 100 है, so बेस की टेंशन अभी नहीं करते हैं, ठीक है? तो प्लस वाले टर्म्स कौन से हैं? ये प्लस है, ये प्लस है, ये प्लस है, एंड ये प्लस है. So I know that log A plus log B is equal to log AB. ठीक है? Log A plus log B, I can write it as log A into B. So यहाँ पर I can write it like this. Log of पॉजिटिव वालों को मैं मल्टीप्लाई कर देता हूँ. So 2 into 5 into 20 into 50, ये हो गया एक पार्ट, राइट? और माइनस में दूसरा पार्ट आने वाला है, सो माइनस ऑफ log 4 ब्रैकेट में इफ यू आर गोइंग टू राइट, सो अंदर में सब पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा, माइनस log 4 log 10 log 25, थ्री टर्म्स आर नेगेटिव, सो दिस विल लुक लाइक नेगेटिव log 4 इंटू 10 इंटू 25, ठीक है। एंड टोटल जो बेस में होने वाला है, इस पूरे के टोटल डिनोमिनेटर में जो होगा वो log 100 रहेगा ही रहेगा, ठीक है। ये चीज क्लियर होगी पहले तो। सो दिस इज नथिंग बट यू कैन जस्ट कैलकुलेट ऑल दीज थिंग्स फटाफट, एंड log a माइनस log b की प्रॉपर्टी फिर से मैं यूज कर सकता हूँ। So this will now, this is 2 into 5, 10 into 20 is 200, 200 into 50, that is nothing but 10,000, ठीक है। So I will write it down, log of 10,000 is nothing but 10 raised to power 4, negative, this is 4 into 10, 40, and then we have 40 into 25, 40 into 25 is nothing but 1000. So log 10 raised to power 4 minus log of 10 cube, this is whole divided by log 100, which I can write it as log of 10 square. I can write it like this, ठीक है। Yes or no? Agree or not? So this will become 4 log 10 minus 3 log 10 upon 2 log 10, right? So log 10 कॉमन हो जाएगा, ठीक है। log 10 will be common, न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर में ऊपर बचेगा, तो log 10 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, दिस विल डायरेक्टली गिव यू 4 minus 3/2, which is nothing but half, ठीक है। सो आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड द सॉल्यूशन प्रॉपर्ली। एक बार चाहिए तो यू कैन पॉज द वीडियो एंड गो थ्रू द सॉल्यूशन अच्छे से। सो लेट्स go to the next question now. So you can again pause the screen and give it a try, ठीक है। All right, let's see how do we solve this. So p cube is equal to q raised to power 4 is equal to r raised to power 5 is equal to s raised to power 6. So let's equate this with a constant. So if I want to solve this, I can write it as p cube is equal to q raised to power 4 equals to r raised to power 5 equals to s raised to power 6 is equal to, let's call it as k. So if I say p cube equals to k, right, I know that I can say p equals to k raised to the power of 1 by 3. Okay, so I can represent all these values now. So p can be written as k raised to the power of 1 by 3. Similarly, q directly I can write it as k raised to the power of 1 by 4. R I can write it as k raised to the power of 1 by 5. And s I can write it as k raised to the power of 1 by 6. So the question is asking me log pqr to the base s. So log of PQR. So P is k raised to the power of 1 by 3. Q is k raised to the power of 1 by 4. R is k raised to the power of 1 by 5. Then I can write this whole divided by log of s. So base में s है तो I can write it as log s. So this is log of k raised to the power of 1 by 6. Now, as per the property of indices, a raised to power x into a raised to power y can be written as a raised to the power of x plus y. So this I can write it as log k raised to the power of 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5. Yes or no? And this entire thing, denominator को मैं लिख सकता हूँ log k 1 by 6 will come बाहर, ठीक है। इसको ऐड कर दीजिए 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5 को, so that you can get your final answer. So I can write this as log of k raised to the power of, LCM ले सकते हैं, 3 4 5 60 हो जाएगा, right? So here we will get 3 into 20. So I can write it as 20 plus 15 plus 12, right? This whole divided by 1 by 6 log k. Okay. So ये भी पावर क्या हो जाएगा, 20 plus 15 is 35 plus 12 is 47. So this is 47 upon 60 log के कैंसिल हो जाएगा, 47/60 बाहर आ जाएगा, एंड डिनोमिनेटर में क्या था 1/6, 6 into 1 6 into 10, so my final answer is nothing but 47/10, right? So question की शक्ल वाली कैसे भी दिखे, if you stick to basic concepts you will get to your final answer. All right, I hope you've understood this question as well. Let's go to the next question now. You can pause your screen and try it once, and then we'll look at the solution. So let's see how do we solve this question. So what has been given to us is 2 raised to the power x equals to 3 raised to the power of log 2 base 5. All right, now there's one property in which I can interchange this 3 with this 2. If you take log on both the sides, you will see that property directly. So I can now write it as 2 raised to the power 5 equals to 2 raised to the power of log 3 base 5. This is how I can write it. So 2 raised to the power x, I can write it as 2 raised to the power of log 3 base 5. Now here I can compare the powers now directly. So I can say x equals to log 3 to the base 5. मेरे को क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा है, x का वैल्यू पूछा है. So now I see it is log 3 to the base 5, which is not there in the option. तो मुझे इसको थोड़ा alteration करना पड़ेगा. I have to do some alteration. So I can see log 3 to the base 5 here, somewhere close to the value that I've got. So what I can try and do now, just to get this 1, I have to try and get a 1 from here as well. So if I were to rewrite this particular thing, can I write it as log 3 into 5 divided by 5? It will remain as log 3 only, right? Yes or no? And I can say the base remains as 5 again. Yes or no? ठीक है, चलेगा. Okay, so this is log a into b, which I can write it as log a plus log b. So I can break it into 2 parts. I can write it as log base 5 3 by 5, right, plus log 5 to the base 5. Yes or no? Agree or not? This is how I can break it into 2 parts. तो एक 3 by 5 वाला पार्ट है, एक 5 वाला पार्ट है. जो ये बेस 5 है वो यहाँ पर मेंटेन रहेगा. So this term will give me 1, right? So I can write this entire thing as log of 3 by 5 to the base 5 plus 1, which is nothing but my third option, C. Okay, this is what my answer is. So यहाँ तक के पहुंचना is not tough at all, just that you have to adjust your value as per the options. Okay, let's move on to the next question now. All right, so next question में directly आपको value calculate करने के लिए बोला है, which is not very tough. So you can again try it before watching the solution. We'll anyways proceed now. So log of, this is 5 raised to the power of half, I can write to log 0.008. Now 2 cube 8 होता है, right? So 0.2 का cube will be 0.008, right? And 0.2 is nothing but 1 by 5. Reciprocal values बड़ी काम की चीज होती है. You should know reciprocal values. So 0.2 का cube is as good as 1 by 5 का cube. Okay. So this is first term. Let's try to simplify it further. Half log 5 divided by, ये 3 बाहर आ जाएगा, 3 log 1 by 5. Now log 1 by 5, I can 1 by 5 I can write it as 5 inverse, right? They mean the same. So this can be further written as half log 5 inverse, और बाहर में ये 3 है, which I can further write it as half log 5 minus 1 बाहर आ जाएगा, so this will become minus 3 log 5. Log 5 gets cancelled. This will become minus 1 by 6 now. So the first term is nothing but minus 1 by 6. That is what we have got. Second term is pretty straightforward. I can write it here directly. Let's say log of 81. 81 is 3 raised to the power of 4. And denominator में क्या है? Log 3 raised to power half. So this I can write it as 4 log 3 upon half log 3. ठीक है, log 3 will get cancelled. The second term becomes 8. Second term is nothing but 8. So first term क्या आया था, -1/6. So I just have to calculate this now. So 8 minus 7 is 1, and 1 minus 1/6 is nothing but 5/6, which is my third option, 5/6. So just go through it. The only tricky part was, इस बेस को 5 के फॉर्म में लिखना. So I'm sure you must be aware that 1/5 is 0.2. क्यूब करेंगे 0.2 का, so we are going to get 0.008, and then you can get to your solution quickly. All right, so I hope this one is clear as well. Let's move on to the next one. All right, so suppose log x base 3 is equal to log y base 12 equals to a, and then x and y are positive numbers. The question says g is geometric mean of x and y. What is log g to the base 6? Right, that is what the question is asking. So x and y को मैं a के फॉर्म में पहले कन्वर्ट करने का ट्राई करता हूँ यहाँ पर. So I can write this as log x upon log 3 equals to a, right? Log x is equal to a into log 3. ये पावर में चला जाएगा. So log of x equals to log 3 to the power a. From here I can compare and say x is equal to 3 raised to the power of a. This is one relation I have got. X equals to 3 raised to the power of a. Similarly, pi के लिए भी solve कर सकता हूँ मैं, और directly compare करके देखोगे तो I can write y is equal to 12 raised to the power of a. As simple as that. ये directly property आपको पता है तो you can write this thing एक बार में, no worry. So x equals to 3 raised to power a, y equals to 12 raised to power a. G is geometric mean of x and y. Now geometric mean of x and y means root xy. This is what it actually means. ठीक है ना? So let's see how do you solve this. So this can be written as 3 raised to power a into 12 raised to power a, right? Square root 36 raised to a, इसको मैं square root करूंगा तो this is nothing but 6 raised to the power of a, right? Now question is asking me what is log g to the base 6, right? So log of, question is simply asking me log of 6 raised to the power a divided by log 6, as simple as that. So a बाहर आ जाएगा, log 6 cancel हो जाएगा. Your correct option will be option D, which is nothing but a. All right, let's move on to the next question. All right, so the question now is talking about arithmetic mean. So log 2 raised to power a into 3 raised to power b into 5 raised to c is arithmetic mean of these three logarithms. Then what is the value of a? Now one should understand that arithmetic mean is nothing but average, right? Arithmetic mean क्या होता है? Average. So you can try it once and then you can resume and look at the solution. Let's see how we can write this. So I can write this as log 2 raised to power a into 3 raised to power b into 5 raised to power c equals to these three terms, log 2 square into 3 cube into 5 raised to power 1 plus log 2 raised to power 6 into 3 raised to power 1 into 5 raised to power 7 plus log of 2 raised to power 1 3 square into 5 raised to power 4 whole divided by 3. Now 3 can go to this side. This will become 3 log of 2 raised to power a into 3 raised to power b into 5 raised to power c is equal to, now we can use the property log a plus log b plus log c is equal to log abc. We can use that. So now we are worried only about this part. पूरा लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, आप सीधा 2 वाला पार्ट लिखोगे तो भी आपका काम जो है वो हो जाएगा. So if I just write 2 वाला part, so this will become log of 2 square, sorry this is 2 square, log 2 square into 2 raised to power 6 into 2 raised to power 1. Now I have taken only 2 वाला part because question is asking me only the value of a. So पूरा लिखने का मतलब नहीं है, ठीक है? So ये 3 पावर में इधर चला जाएगा. So this will become log of 2a, right, का क्यूब. Log of 2a का क्यूब हो जाएगा ये, yes or no? This is how it will look like, which I can write it as log 2 raised to the power of 3a. Here I can convert all these terms. Now I can write a raised to power x into a raised to power y into a raised to power z is a raised to power of x, y, z. So this is log of 2 raised to the power of 9. So I can directly compare now the power 3a equals to 9, or I can say a equals to 3. This is something that I can directly say. Now, question could have asked b ka value also, c ka value also. You could have easily calculated it in a similar way. So you can see the way question looks is very different or difficult for some students. But you stick with basic fundas, you will be definitely able to solve these questions. All right. So I hope you have understood the entire question. I'll try and make another part of this video. I'll cover more logarithm questions in that. So thanks everyone for watching. I hope it was helpful. Please share the video with your friends. Thanks a lot, guys.